reading this book, Hannah. 10 minutes, please.
Wow, mango ice cream! Yummy!
Yummy. Yum. Me. Yum. Me. Was it a dream? Hi friends, how are you all doing? Welcome back. I just had a delicious dream today. Sometimes dreams are so beautiful. Talking about dreams, let me share some facts about dreams. Adults and babies alike dream for 2 hours per night. Researchers have found that people have several dreams each night, and each dream can last to 5 to 20 minutes. During a typical lifetime, people spend an average of 6 years dreaming. Isn't it interesting? Point 1. Everyone dreams. Point 2. You forget most of your dreams. Point 3. Not most of your dreams are in color. Point 4. Animals probably have dreams. Most think when a sleeping dog wags its tail or moves its leg, it will be dreaming. Point 5. It is possible that you can control your dreams. A lucid dream is one that you are aware that you're dreaming even though you're still asleep. It was very interesting facts, isn't it? Talking about all of this, I have forgotten to tell you my dream. I was dreaming about some delicious mango ice cream. Come on, let's see how to make it. We will only need 3 ingredients for making mango ice cream. 3 Alfonso mangoes. Condensed milk as per sweetness required. 300 ml fresh cream. Chop the mangoes into tiny pieces. Beat the cream until soft peaks. Add condensed milk as per sweetness required. Mix it well. Add the chopped mangoes. Mix it well. Store it in a airtight container and freeze it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, take it out of the fridge and give it a good mix. Keep it in the freezer for 5 hours. Doesn't it look mouth-watering? Please try it at home. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye-bye.